In electrical wiring, the term rabbit tails commonly refers to the short lengths of solid copper wire that are attached to the terminals of electrical outlets, switches, and other devices. These copper tails are typically about 6 inches long and are used to connect the device to the main electrical line. Rabbit tails serve several important purposes. Firstly, they provide a quick and convenient way to connect devices to the electrical line without the need for soldering or twisting wires together. Secondly, the tails allow for some flexibility in positioning the device, as they can be bent and shaped to accommodate the space available. Thirdly, the tails often include a ground wire, which is essential for electrical safety to prevent shocks. The copper pigtails are sometimes wrapped with a material called antiox or shrink wrap. This wrap serves to protect the copper, preventing it from oxidizing, which can lead to corrosion and poor electrical connections. It also insulates the connection, ensuring that the bare copper wires are not exposed, reducing the risk of electrical shorts and fires. Additionally, the shrink wrap helps to secure the pigtails to the device and the electrical line, preventing them from pulling out. In some contexts, rabbit tails may also refer to the decorative fluff at the end of a rabbit's tail, a type of plant with long, slender stems or a musical instrument that resembles a rabbit's tail.